Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you the new code is called, what was it? I'm gonna tell you later, but I'm using the code. I just sent it. Okay guys, okay, the new code is called one more time. Okay, you see this code? I already did it. So this is what it gave you: 8 pineapples, 5 tickets, and 1 raw jelly, and pineapple patch boost times 3, and Cloverfield boost times 5. And I wanted to use my fuel booster, and then I got the 3 times the boost, and my the pineapple patch. The pineapple patch boost was now 5 times the boost, and then I was like so lucky. So let me give this all to music beat. Okay, let me transform. Okay, I didn't got nothing. So let me see if I have something else. Oh yeah, let's go try to defeat the tunnel bear. Let's try to defeat. Let's go all the way back. More. So now that we have time for. Oh, what the fuck? Why am I beat not attacking? Don't tell me I lost the connection. What were you doing, B? If we defeat the tunnel bear, I'm gonna get a next scythe. Let's see what happened, guys. The King Beetle's level 7. Why can't I just do any damage? I'm doing. It's missing a lot of time. No! Dang it! Why is it so hard to just defeat it? Ah! I'm so lucky with. Okay, it's gonna take a long time. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, remember to visit my friend's channel. And this is my gifted bee. So goodbye guys.